What's up, everyone? Today we're finally in the part 3. It's been a long time, right? 3 weeks. So I have a lot of scenes to show you. So let's go. So first one is where's this guy? It's up jobs, and that's a new category. And let's see the police. This the one that I'm holding is the police. Oh, police one. I accidentally broke it. So don't mind about that. And this one is the police two. Nice aim. Okay, next one is an auto killer. Look at this. When you spawn on the limb, and auto killer. Oh my god. Oh my god, that debris. Next one is this deadly thrower. I don't know why it's called that. It looks like a bomb. It's not actually a bomb, it's just a spike. Ah. Next one is where's that thing? Next one is eater. This one is a eater. What the melon here? Oh, that is cool. Next one is a fruit smoothie maker. Okay, let's make some smoothies. Pumpkin, corn, apple. Okay, put them inside. Okay. We made a smoothie. Okay. Next one is what is this? Next one is a marine broth. It's a new category. Nagiyo, nakulirino. Next one is Manikyos Gothic Man. Diggy 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 diggy. Melobonini. I'll crush him to death. Next one is Sentinel 2 Deep Forest Pulsar Deep. Wait. Let me show you all. First one is Sentinel 2 Forest Monster 2 and Fruit Monster. Next one is there's a new owner. It's named Godbot. It's your boy now. Next one is Twinix Probe. Finally a new one. Next one is Do 5. I don't know if I showed Do 5, but that's okay. Let's deploy. Next one is Fletcher Tank. Nice. It's good. Next one is the alarm truck. Next one is Buster 2. Nice. Next one is Storm Ranger. Oh, I forgot Storm Knight too. Next one is Tank Interceptor. Next one is the Dead Man Walking. And we got some new updates to the tornadoes of the EFs because they were kind of ugly. This one's EF0 new, EF1 new, EF2 new, EF3 new, EF4 new, and EF5 new. So let's see if there's more. There's nothing more, guys. So that's it. Bye bye, or you will get sucked by this water tornado.